Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Wise login problems. Account access restored step by step clearly. First, check that your phone or computer has a stable internet connection by opening another trusted website. Next, confirm you are using the official Wise app or the correct website by typing wise.com directly into your browser. Then, verify that your email address or phone number is typed correctly, including country code if you use a phone number. After that, re-enter your password slowly and make sure caps lock is turned off. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Open the reset email and make sure it is really from Wise. Then use it only if it looks legitimate and matches your request. Create a strong new password that you have not used on other websites or apps before. If the reset email does not arrive, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders carefully. Also add Wise to your email safe sender list and try requesting the reset link again. If you use two-step verification, prepare your phone and ensure the time and date are set to automatic. If you use an authenticator app, open it and use the newest code, because codes expire quickly. If SMS codes are not arriving, toggle airplane mode on and off and confirm your number can receive messages. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi, or from Wi-Fi to mobile data, to rule out network blocking. If you recently changed your phone number, update it in Wise if you can, or use account recovery options. If your login says too many attempts, stop trying for a while and wait at least 15 to 30 minutes. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then close the browser completely and open it again. If you are on the app, force close the app and reopen it, or restart your phone to refresh the session. Update the Wise app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the Wise app to remove corrupted data. Try logging in from a different device or a different browser to check if the issue is device-specific. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily, because Wise may block suspicious locations. Make sure your operating system is up to date, because older versions can cause security and login issues. If you see a message about account locked or verification needed, follow the in-app steps to confirm your identity. Prepare a clear photo ID and good lighting if Wise asks for a verification selfie or document scan. Check Wise status pages or official social channels to see if there is a service outage. If you suspect unauthorized access, change your password immediately and review recent activity if available. Contact Wise support from the official help section and provide the exact error message and screenshots if requested. Wait for support instructions and do not share your password or full security codes with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.